Ever wonder why problem-solving skills are so vital in mathematics? Well, pull up a chair and let's dive into this fascinating topic. Problem-solving in mathematics is more than just a simple application of formulas and procedures. It's a fundamental skill that requires the ability to analyze, interpret, and find solutions to challenging situations. It's like a mental gymnastics routine where you're the gymnast, and each problem is a new apparatus to tackle. Now you might be thinking, why is this so important? Here's the thing. The ability to solve mathematical problems demonstrates more than just proficiency in the discipline. It's a transferable skill that's essential for facing challenges in various life areas. Yes, that's right. Your math skills can help you navigate the complexities of life with more ease and confidence. You see, problem solving in mathematics stimulates logical reasoning. It's all about making connections, spotting patterns, and making informed decisions based on the evidence at hand. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving equations. But that's not all. This skill also fosters creativity. Yes, you heard right, creativity in mathematics. Because every problem is unique, you often need to think outside the box to find a solution. It's about exploring different strategies, experimenting with various approaches, and being innovative with your methods. And let's not forget about confidence. Successfully solving a complex math problem can give you a sense of accomplishment like no other. It's a testament to your ability to overcome challenges, which can boost your self-esteem and make you feel more capable in other areas of your life. So, there you have it. Problem solving in mathematics is not just about crunching numbers or memorizing formulas. It's about stimulating logical reasoning, fostering creativity, and building confidence. It's about equipping you with the tools to tackle life's challenges head-on. Problem solving in mathematics isn't just about numbers, it's about preparing you for life's challenges. So, next time you encounter a tricky math problem, remember you're not just solving an equation, you're training your brain for the real world. Now, how do we tackle a mathematical problem? It all starts with understanding. It's easy to jump headfirst into a problem, but the first step in the art of mathematical problem solving is to slow down and understand the problem in its entirety. This stage is crucial, and missing it may lead to misinterpretations and errors down the line. Imagine standing before a complex labyrinth. Without understanding the layout, the twists and turns, you might find yourself lost and frustrated. In the same vein, diving into a mathematical problem without understanding it is like stepping into a maze blindfolded. So, what does understanding the problem entail? Firstly, it involves reading the problem carefully. Yes, it sounds simple, but it's an essential step that many overlook. Reading the problem multiple times if necessary helps to identify the critical pieces of information provided and to clarify what is being asked. Secondly, it requires us to identify the knowns and unknowns in the problem. What information is given? What are you trying to find out? These are some of the questions that need to be answered at this stage. Next, it's about breaking down the problem into manageable parts. A large complex problem can seem daunting, but when you break it down, it becomes a series of smaller, more manageable tasks. Finally, understanding the problem involves visualizing it. Creating a mental or physical representation of the problem can help clarify what's going on. This could be a diagram, a graph, or even a simple sketch. Remember, understanding is not about finding the solution. It's about laying the groundwork for finding the solution. It's about knowing what you're dealing with and developing a clear picture of the problem at hand. In the world of mathematics, comprehension is the key that unlocks the door to problem solving. It's the first step on the path that leads to the solution. Without it, you're merely groping in the dark, hoping to stumble upon the answer. Remember, every problem-solving journey starts with understanding the problem. With a clear understanding of the problem, we need to equip ourselves with the right strategies. Now, you might wonder why we need to strategize in mathematics. Well, it's quite simple. Strategies provide a structured approach to problem solving, guiding you step by step towards the answer. You see, once you've grasped the problem, the next step is to figure out how to tackle it. And that's where strategies come into play. You could identify patterns that can lead you to the solution, or apply relevant mathematical concepts you've learned. Sometimes, creating visual representations such as graphs or diagrams can simplify complex problems, making them easier to understand and solve. Formulating strategies isn't just about finding the quickest way to the answer. It's about finding the most effective and efficient one. It's about exploring different paths and choosing the one that is best suited for the problem at hand. Having the right strategy is like having a roadmap to the solution. Strategies in hand, it's time to put them into action. Now this is where the rubber meets the road in our problem-solving journey. It's like a puzzle coming together, each piece fitting snugly into its rightful place. Here, we use our mathematical toolkit, applying formulas and methods that we've chosen to solve the problem. Remember, accuracy is key. It's not just about getting an answer, but about the journey to that answer. It's about paying attention to the smallest details, ensuring each step of the calculation is correct, each formula applied accurately. You see, even the tiniest mistake can lead to a completely different outcome. In this phase, patience is your best friend. Take your time, double-check your work, and assure that each step aligns with your initial strategies. It's like crafting a masterpiece where every brushstroke matters. Implementing your solution is like building a bridge to your goal. Be meticulous, be precise, and you'll find yourself on the other side, solution in hand. After finding a solution, do we stop there? Absolutely not. So what's next? Well, it's time to evaluate and reflect, two crucial steps that often go overlooked in the problem-solving process. First off, let's talk about evaluation. It's not enough to simply reach a solution. We need to ensure it's the right one. This stage involves checking the solution's validity and relevance to the problem at hand. Did we answer the question correctly? Does our solution make sense in the context of the problem? By asking these questions, we can confirm the accuracy of our solution and avoid any potential errors. But evaluating the solution is just one part of the equation. We also need to reflect on the process we used to get there. Reflection is all about taking a step back and looking at the bigger picture. It's about asking ourselves, how did we approach the problem? What strategies did we use? Were they effective, or could we have done things differently? Reflection is not about critiquing ourselves harshly, rather it's about learning from our experiences. By reflecting on our process, we can identify areas of strength, as well as areas where we may need to improve. This allows us to fine-tune our problem-solving skills, making us more adept at tackling future challenges. Moreover, reflection promotes continuous learning. It encourages us to be curious, to question, and to explore different approaches. It pushes us to consider alternative solutions, fostering creativity and innovation. It helps us to develop a growth mindset, where challenges are viewed not as obstacles, but as opportunities for learning and growth. In essence, evaluation and reflection are not just about validating a solution, they are about learning from our experiences, improving our problem-solving skills, and fostering a mindset of continuous growth and learning. They are about equipping ourselves with the tools and strategies necessary to tackle the complex challenges that life throws our way. So, remember, reflecting on your process and evaluating your solution is the final step in the problem-solving journey. It might be the final step, but it's one that paves the way for future success. So, what have we learned about problem-solving in mathematics? Well, we've journeyed through the essence of problem-solving in mathematics, from understanding the problem, formulating strategies, implementing solutions, and finally, evaluating and reflecting on the solutions. But it's not just about solving equations or finding the area of a circle, it's about so much more. Problem-solving in mathematics is a multi-layered process that engages the mind in unique ways. It's about comprehending the problem at hand, identifying the information that is provided, and the information that is missing. It's about formulating strategies, spotting patterns, and applying relevant mathematical concepts. It's about implementing solutions, paying attention to detail, and correctly applying chosen methods or formulas. And most importantly, it's about evaluating and reflecting on the solution and the process used to get there. This process doesn't just apply to mathematical problems. It's a skill that transcends the boundaries of the subject. It equips us with the ability to analyze, interpret, and find solutions to complex situations in various aspects of life. It fosters logical reasoning and creativity, and builds confidence in handling intricate challenges. Problem-solving in mathematics is a vehicle for the development of critical thinking. It encourages us to question, to analyze different approaches, and to consider alternative solutions. It's not just about getting the right answer, but about understanding the process, the logic, and the reasoning behind it. Teachers play a crucial role in developing these problem-solving skills. Through pedagogical strategies that encourage collaboration, exploration, and practical application of mathematical concepts, they foster a more holistic and engaging approach to learning. In conclusion, problem-solving in mathematics is more than a technical competency. It's a skill that equips individuals to confront challenges with confidence and insight. It's about understanding the world around us and making sense of the complexities that life throws our way. Problem solving in mathematics, it's about more than just numbers, it's about equipping you for life's challenges.